The first service I'm going to explain is called video webcasting, and you're seeing an example of video webcasting right this very minute. Let's see in more detail what I mean. Video webcasting allows us to communicate to anyone at any time. As you can see, we create for each video webcast a branded template. The window you see right now on your screen has our MData branding. It could have, of course, your branding. So MData takes care of everything needed in order to provide this end result to you. Of course, the video is fully synchronized with my PowerPoint slides. And the question that comes is, why would video webcasting be useful to me? Our clients use this technology for many reasons, and I'm going to explain to you some of them, the most frequently used applications that we have seen up to now. Of course, if you have other needs and other ideas, we're here to help you with them as well. So internal communications, external communications are very, very frequent applications of video webcasts, as is also the training, video archiving of conferences or other important events, best practice sharing, field visits to see how top salesmen do their job in order for other members of the team to learn, and of course, video conferences. I will show you some examples for each one of these from our customers. For instance, for external communications, I'm showing you here a screenshot from a video webcast that was done here in Greece, and it was for a satellite symposium of a pharmaceutical company. As you can see, the whole event was captured. The speaker, of course, in full synchronization with the PowerPoint slides he used. The pharmaceutical company that paid for this service was able to share this information once the event was finished with its customers via a nice multimedia CD that we created for them. Of course, the CD is always a very well received and helpful giveaway for the attendees or those who were not able to attend. Internal communications, our customers use this same technology in order to train their staff, whether it's newly hired staff that they want to bring up to date very quickly, they use this type of material, or whether it's existing staff that needs to be trained on new ideas, new products and services. Whether there's many geographical places or if it's in many countries, for example, video webcasting helps to bridge all those distances. Events and conferences is another very frequent application of the technology. The reason customers use this technology is to archive events. Usually a lot of time and effort and of course money is put in to create a nice event. Why not have it captured so that you can use it for future references? Sharing and best practices is very important for many large organizations. For example, on this screenshot you see one such application by Novartis. What they do is they share their best practice knowledge with other affiliates in other countries. This way everybody can take advantage of a successful strategy. Similar applications are also done, as I said before, with sales training. So if you have a very good, very strong salesperson, why not video record and webcast to the rest of the team the way this very successful salesperson does the job. I would now like to bring your attention to some additional features of the technology in case you haven't discovered them already. You will notice on the bottom of my video window there is a gray-blue menu with several tabs. The first tab is the information tab, and that's the name of the speaker, usually the title of the presentation, the date, things like that we can place there. The second tab is very important. It's the topics. The topics allow for the viewer to select particular parts of my presentation. For instance, if you don't want to view the entire thing from the beginning to the end, you can select from the topics by clicking on the link of your choice the topic that you view. Automatically, the technology will take you to the video and corresponding slide that you have chosen. And this saves tremendous time, and it's very, very useful. The third tab is the Resources tab, which can be activated if you wish and not activated if you don't want it. If activated, the Resources tab allows you to put documents, any type of document, for people that are viewing the webcast to download. For instance, I have put there a document for you to download if you wish. The Email tab is the last one, and again, it can be either activated or not. For instance, I have put there my email address in case some of you wish to communicate with me directly. It's right there on the Email tab. Once we have the video webcast ready, there's 3 ways we can share it with our target audience. The first way would have been to do it live. The minute I'm speaking, to have let you know, and you could have connected to the particular link and you could have seen the event live. The most frequently used way, though, is on-demand viewing. What that means is that you view it after I'm done with the presentation. And the third and also very popular way to share this material is by creating and offering a CD or DVD. I will show you an example of each one, starting with the live webcasts. When we have live webcasts for our customers, what we do is we create a mini site. We call it a microsite. This microsite has all the information about the live, when it's going to start, whether we are on break, for example, technical assistance, the scheduled program, and of course the live, when we're actually on the air. Whether it's live or not, the customer will see the exact same thing as you see here on the screenshot, the video of the speaker fully synchronized with the slides he or she is using. Very important to know for live events that we provide on-the-spot statistics, so you can know exactly how many viewers are online viewing your webcast. The second way to share is, as I said, via on-demand videos. There's customers that simply upload the material on their existing website, and then there's other customers that ask us to create a video web portal. That's what you see on your screen. It's an example of a video portal that we've created with the customer's branding, and viewers can on demand, anytime, anywhere they are, view the material. Of course, they just select the presentation they wish to view from the video portal, and then they see the same usual video synchronized with slides. Pay close attention to the details though, because you will notice how the branding is all beautifully made, how the slides in the video are all clear and in high quality, and of course you can play around and make your video a full screen, or you can make your slide a full screen. There's many features that I'm not going on to show you right now, but we can share with you face-to-face or on the phone. Often when it comes to video portals, our customers wish to keep the material confidential and accessible only to particular specified group of individuals. In such cases, we create an authentication system. Therefore, the user has to enter a valid username and password in order to be allowed to view the video webcasts. And the third way that I mentioned to you before, I can show you examples, is to create, for instance, nice CD or DVD cases. depending on the size of your material, which of course you can share once the event is finished. When it comes to the CD and DVD, it's important to emphasize that once you load your DVD, it's not just simple files. A nice navigation menu will open, and here again we have various menu types that you can choose from, or if you have some specific things in your mind, some ideas, we can create whatever it is that you need. Here is an example of one of our navigation menus. We call it Type 1. And you can see it has several tabs and the ability to select a video according to the title of the presentation or according to the name of the speaker. Something simpler but equally nice is a Type 2 navigation menu. Here there's less presentations. You can all see that there is 5 thumbnails. Each one corresponds to one video webcast. A Type 3 type of navigation menu. And of course, no matter what navigation menu you select, or if we create a brand new one for you, once the customer selects the video of their choice, they view it in the nice synchronized template that we've discussed.